I was born in a village and spent most of my childhood there. So when I moved away from my roots as an adult, the urge to return home stayed with me. After decades in big cities, I am finally back where I truly belong. My village and all that makes it, the vast paddy fields, forest, rivers, all the right kind of life for me. On my return, I started a sustainable livelihood project which is called the Rang Residency. The enduring site in the village, the cultivation, farming has always attracted me, and I have tried to capture it in my painting. Everyday sites are realized as a feeling share. My new works are inspired by this forest, rivers, farming, paddy fields, all this nature I see. However, I am no more just a spectator now, the wholeheartedly involved in this activity, and you can see in my recent works this kind of reflection there.